Kalong ke jingso sarang bagi samla ke rilum khasi jain tia kila ban wanra ke nam ke Burom ya ke jela hagi lempung jing ya ko bape kari pad hakane ke kenti nakaliang ke kenhon u Shillong Mail hakan no pai sngi jo ke spotarik urempang araja arpusan kila yo bani kendu ya arngot kinong job hak lempung jing Mareh ke belatip kom ke National Red Run ke bala long hagoa min ha ke khat pratarik u kelalengkot araja arpusan. Kini ki samla ki kentup yo samla Daniel Ding do walang ubra yo ra eka kerdan baar bar usamla skem lang suba haka kerdan ke balai. Kumban syukudau baya ke nega lempung ke dairu ke belapanya da ke National AIDS Control Organization NACO bat ke Goa State AIDS Control Society GSACS. Usamla skem lang suba ulapan pau ba ke jing syem benta jong u ha ke te ke lempung ke dai bola dan ke jing terang ban Pyntbit ya ladi ha ke jing Mareh Pulit ke bas 15Hajar mitar. Namar babon sin uju syem benta tang ha ke lempung jing Mareh ke ba praspa mitar.
Hagajing sedang jing ya inti jong na peningkong ngaso ngu ya i madam desi marwen i ko jonga ila yarap nadu basdang bangar sedang dekai ila pen i linti nga kumno ban dekai lani kumno ban train te ka peningkong adu bangamla syu ban su giliang i taimam adu bai la yarap nga bangan long kum ki wei kum su ong no kum ki itagi nong Mareh sagi sebari te ngasungu syai madam desi ngalabun sin banga sim bentah ki national game Northeast game la yo Arsenal goal te hagi national game su represent te hagi wiki competition kum ki zone ani ki wiki national under 23 ai abun sin kani long hanga simet kani kalong ka jing Mareh namar nga ngadi u nong Mareh hatrak ka event chunga kadi tang ka 800 te kani pat long adang sedang menta syong no bangam don competition syong no don competition tang banga prepare nang menta ka 5000 ban Mareh ka Meghalaya police takadau long adang bu sa din khenjat ya ka event lade kenang ban yo Mareh ya ka MLP namar ka event chunga ka long tang shot tang 800 te namta chunga ka ye hi ban Mareh 4 kilometer tang bala practice kalong kala 1 hi malum mala kalong na kumto namar ka event chunga kalong ka 800 te long ka ta ka event chunga long ban le ka 10 kilometer bat ka 800 long ka pherte kar kom ka training dane na dong shadong long ka ya pher bun takada long ka ie ban long ban le lang baro na ka 800 bar ka 10000 kalong kum ne namar kata ka jing sedang jongi ki sedang suana district level mo then district level ngi Mareh ngawan first tadin kata ngiwan sane sa Shillong long kum state level kan te din kata ngawan second nang ni te gila sajit inga ban le chim benta ka national red run ka jingchim benta ki national level long labun sin tamba syong no kum ki long listen kadang fast time kini
Ika jing fair pada
ka jing affair ka long kani ka haga syong no haga event bat haga ki athlete tu ya fair bun hi kamar ki athlete hangne ka long tangka ya college te tangba ka di national paken te ban compete bat ki national game pat ki long ki professional sudah kum ki Olympian rugi dan ki international sudah kan ki bun ngakwa ban ong ki parasam lalani kum ki atlet ngakwa ban ong ki long ngakwa ban ong ki tangani long be ha ka jing le kai mo long ban light nagi ki jing snu khamtam mentali bun ki bangi sungop ha ki jing di dane hagino gi kam snu te ngakwa ban ong tangi ki dade bangi be ha ka jing le kai kamut ngi light na kita ki baro namar sin bangi la fokus ha ka jing le kai kamut ngi kelet lut kita ki baro
Samla Daniel Ding do wa lang uloong bagate ke lempung ke kham shibun ban ya nu jor bat ki lempung ya Mareh ke balong hapo ke jela namar ki rang Mareh ha kate ke lempung ki dei ki bla sap Pyntbit bahabat ki bay sim bentaru ha ki we ki lempung jing yakop sabari
ningkong ang sim benta hakani ka inter district mo balong hapo siya jan civil stay te ngalayo eka kedan baningkong tenang tu ki select ban let po gowa nika di banlong last year bulan November tama kala postpone cho January this year ngila ju shim menta teng ha po national game ru nang tan Northeast game ru jo Northeast game tang la yo gold medal actually national game ta chu participant kam shem yo medal mangatan do bang sedang lekai ngadon lengkap ibad ikut jangan mau bening starting koi bala betin linti yang ba ajing kai nga dong sedong diling bajong ih bangala banyo ikan ka jing job te kade ka jing tristom jing ya sha ngo wala don kipor ba ngamla aru ndai ya persyang bu pe haladim bangan sala bihi koi kesni te mentaru ka jing job jonga kadang ai tim shu yang bangan yakun shushu bangan la shu ban kiu shakhmat banyak ni bangalong mentaru kher kalong ba po national game kilawan ki professional sudah mo ki olympian kilawan la kai ki asian game medals kilawan la kai ne kani mentate kita kim yawan mo ban shim menta lomitang para college athlete na kaleng jonga ko ban kenturi ki para sama makin yashim menta ki jing la kai ba kino ru namar ladangi don ha ki jing la kai am kam long discipline mong kam lan ki jing sneo ni ko ngila poi la ka ngila that de ban le chin star ngim kwa sho
Hagani ka sngi na kalyang ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MACS harangkat ka jing tray lang ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR kala yo roban pun ko Burom ya kita ki nong job da ka song pisa ka mark hatsan hajar tingka Kibalay don lang hagani ka kenti ki kentup yo Dr. WB Langste, Project Director ka MACS, kakong lari na nong Pure Assistant Director Youth MACS, ki nong tray na katay ka office but kiway de.
About 21% of the female population and 30% of the male population of the country suffer from HIV infection. There are many diseases which are due to the lifestyle of the individuals, and HIV infection is one of them. Therefore, to have a healthy living, the people, including the youth, need to know how HIV enters into our body, or what are the risks of contracting HIV infection. So the youth need to know the issue of drug addiction and HIV infection. The youth need to know the basic information on HIV and AIDS. The youth need to know to promote services which aim at preventing HIV and other sexually transmitted infections, and the youth need to have a good knowledge on safe sex also. When I say the youth, it means people of the age group of 17 to 25 years of age. And they may be the youth or the students attending the colleges or attending the universities. And these youths, they need to be well informed on this topic. Therefore, in order to make the youth aware on this topic, that means HIV infection and AIDS, our office, Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, conducted many programs, and one of them is the Red Ribbon Festival. And in this event, we are happy to have with us Mr. Daniel Lingdo and Mr. Skamborlang Siba. They have taken part in this festival and they secured the first and the second position in this festival we call the Red Run. And also we have the women's section, in which Miss May Ramsey and Miss Innocentia Tempuy, they secured the first and the second position in the women's category. With this, these 4 young people of the state, they qualified for the National Red Run, which was hosted by the Goa State AIDS Control Society, and we are happy to know that Mr. Daniel Lingdo was secured the second position in this Red Run, which was held in Goa, and Mr. Skambolang Suba secured the 3rd place in this Red Run, which was hosted by the Goa AIDS Control Society. Therefore, the office of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society would like to felicitate these 2 young athletes of the state, and we would like to felicitate them to honor them by giving them 50,000 rupees in cash as a mark of appreciation for their hard work.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.